This is not just a villa, a lifestyle rooted in earth where nature meets luxury. Imagine waking up to the chirping of birds, wrapped around lush greens everywhere, breathing walls made up of mud bricks with beautifully designed backyards. A community designed to heal, breathe, and live better. Hello everyone, welcome to Luxury Properties YouTube channel. Today we bring you a beautiful nature-friendly villa community in South Bangalore, spread across 12.5 acres, located off Hosur Road, Chandapura. Total 174 units, nature-inspired homes with backyards. These are 4 BHK villas ranging from 2,400 square feet to 3,500 square feet, super built-up area with 55% open space. A forest theme community with more than 1,500 plus trees, eco-friendly, biophilic architecture. Let me show you the model villa in this community. As you can see there, that's the model villa in this beautiful community. As you can see, the biophilic architecture, those walls made up of mud bricks which gives you earthy vibes and wrapped around the greenery inside and out. Absolute dream home for nature-friendly people. And that's the west-facing plot with a north-facing door villa with a 400 square feet backyard. The land dimension is 29 by 50 square feet and a super built-up area of 2950 square feet. That's the front elevation. So that's your 2-car parking area. You can easily park 2 cars here. A small front green patch, as you can see there. From the car parking, let me take you to inside the villa. This is a setback between the 2 villas. The green patch which you see here, that's the main door of this model villa. As you enter, you are greeted with a foyer. That's your foyer. Look at that walls made up of mud bricks which gives you that rustic earthy vibes, and the flooring here is Kota tiles. Small indoor garden followed with the beautifully designed living area. A rope swing with a wooden plank which gives you that old traditional vibes. That's your neatly designed living area which opens to the backyard with an outdoor sitting there. And a beautifully designed lush green 400 square feet private garden. A gazebo. This is not part of the specification. Wrapped across the greenery. And let me show you the back elevation of this villa. It's a G+2 structure villa. Imagine spending your evenings here with your friends and family. Even you can do small functions here, your birthday functions in the backyard. Back inside the villa, one more view of the living. Huge sliding windows, rustic design, earth-friendly materials, and you have a small indoor garden here. That's your dining area. Neatly designed dining which opens to the double height ceiling, as you can see there. From the dining, let me take you to the kitchen. Before the kitchen, let me show you the beautiful part of this villa. A centrally placed puja room according to the Vastu. Beautiful design puja room door. That's your kitchen, open kitchen, again with a huge sliding window which overlooks your lush green, beautifully designed garden area. So you can design your kitchen interiors as per your taste. Back to the dining space. And you have one bedroom on the ground floor. Let me take you to the bedroom number 1 of this 4 BHK villa. That's your bedroom number 1. That's your bed. That's a huge sliding window which overlooks the front patch which I showed you earlier. Just look at the backdrop of your bed. Rustic, earthy vibes, mud brick wall. That's where you can have your wardrobe. As we exit, we have a common bathroom here. That's your common bathroom. Tiled up walls, till the false ceiling. One more view. As I said, this is the indoor garden. That's your living. So you can have your indoor garden or you can install your private lift here. So this space can be used for even installing your private lift. Now we'll take the stairs. Wooden and concrete steps. Fixed glass windows on the stilt area. As we land on the first floor, we have 2 bedrooms here and a private living area. Let me first show you the private living area. That's your private living area with a huge window there which overlooks the lush green garden area. One more view of the private living space. Now let me take you to the bedroom 2. That's your bedroom number 2. They have designed this as a children's bedroom with a beautiful bay window there, which again overlooks your garden space. Again a rope swing here, which gives you the taste of that vintage vibes. And it comes with an attached bathroom, as you can see here. Bathrooms can be customized here as per your taste. Either you need a oxidizing floor or a vitrified tiles, whatever suits you. One more view of this beautiful kids' bedroom. As we exit, we are back to the private living space. Before I take you to the 3rd bedroom, just see, you can overlook your dining area, which is of double height ceiling, which I showed you earlier. And again, one more indoor garden here. This home is a heaven to nature lovers. Now let me take you to the bedroom number 3, the master bedroom of this 4 BHK villa. Wooden fill tiles, nature friendly design. Look at the interiors done here, matching to those earthy walls. This room comes with an separate walk-in closet area and dress area with an attached bath and a toilet. That's your oxidized floor. So bathrooms can be customized as per your taste. One more view of this beautiful master bedroom, which opens to the cinematic view. Outdoor sitting, which overlooks the lush greenery of this community. As I said, this is a forest theme with more than 1500 plus trees. Just imagine spending your evenings here with a sip of coffee, looking over the lush green of this community. Now let me take the stairs to the 2nd floor. Wooden handrail, wooden steps and concrete steps. The fixed glass window on the stilt area, and that's your open to sky. Look at that view, man. Breathtaking view. As we land on the second floor, we have one bedroom and a terrace. Let me take you to the bedroom 4. They have made this as a home theater. So you can use this room as a home theater, your office room, your gym room, or even as a 4th bedroom. Again, a huge glass window which overlooks the garden. Neatly designed home theater here. As we exit, we have this bar counter area designed here, which again overlooks your beautiful garden space. So this is the bar counter area. You can have your family gatherings here, your small functions, birthday functions, small events with your friends and family. And a glass door which opens to the terrace. Again, a huge spacious terrace area where you can have your gazebo, your party setup, or you can convert even this to a terrace garden. Again, a planter box there. So if you want to experience living here, waking up to the fresh air, having early morning walks in the green woods, a earth-friendly home which doesn't need a AC to cool down, do contact us on the given number, and don't forget to subscribe, like and share our videos with your friends and family. And also do leave a comment, what do you think about these earth-friendly homes? And thank you for watching and have a very nice day.